Hi guys, this is Eddie Hood. I am one of the profit coaches here at Ignite Spot Outsourced Accounting. In this first video, we're going to talk about the initial step you need to take in order to get your income statement set up so that you can see by department or what we're calling revenue channel where you're billing your invoices. That's really, really important. So it's going to start in what we call the chart of accounts. Now I'm using QuickBooks. Only because so many companies are using this software. Now you might be in a different software, that's okay. You can still follow along, and most accounting softwares are built pretty much the same way. You'll simply need to go to your chart of accounts. Now in QuickBooks you'll go up to lists, come down and click on chart of accounts. Now this is a list of all of the different categories that your company uses to track the movement of money within your business. So you've got an account for each of your bank accounts. You've got them for accounts receivable, for vehicles if you have vehicles, whatever it might be. Okay. Now you're going to scroll down. You'll notice that they're sorted by type. So we've got bank accounts first, then receivables, and so on. Now as you move down, you'll get to the income accounts right here. Okay, this is where it starts for this particular company. Now I've already set up an example for us. What you want to do is you want to take your cells, your basic income account that you have in your QuickBooks file. Let's pretend that you're this construction company, and maybe it just says construction income. And what you'll do is you're going to come down and you'll click on Control N, and that's going to allow you to create a new account. You'll select the income account and click Continue. And now you're going to give it an account number if you're using account numbers to track your finances. Some companies do, some don't. But you'll want to put in the name of the account here. So let's say you're this construction company and perhaps you do excavation work. So you'll put in excavating. And then you'll need to make this a sub-account. And it has to be in the account type income in order for this to work. But if you scroll down, you'll click on your main just construction income. That'll be our parent account. But under that, we're going to track our excavating revenue. You'll do that with each one of your revenue channels. Hit save and close, and then what's going to happen when I go back into my chart of accounts, you'll see right here. Now I didn't add an account number just to be consistent. Let me open that back up. Whoops, back out of that. Sorry guys. All right, so let's put in just an account number so you can see what, I don't know, I'm making this up. Okay. So now it's got an account number, so it looks like all of these other ones here, and you can drag them and arrange them by clicking on the little diamond to the left, and you can move it down. Let's say you want excavating down here. However you do it, now you've got your parent construction income account, and you've got all of your individual revenue channels below it. What this means, and I'll show you this in the next video, is every time we create an invoice or sell a product or service, we always want to tag that specific product or service to one of these revenue channels. Don't ever throw it to this parent account. The reason why is all of these sub accounts are going to roll up into that construction income. Let me show you what I mean. If I go to reports and I look at the profit and loss statement for this company, you'll see that we've got the revenue channels broken out. So as a management team, you can see how you're doing in each division of your business because we've created these separate accounts. Now in QuickBooks, and you can do this in many other softwares, you can collapse the report. If I click collapse, it's going to shovel all of those revenue channels into just construction income so that I can see in total how my business is doing. But if I want to expand it out, I can now do that and look at each of the different revenue channels, and I love that. Again, this is one of the main things that profitable businesses do to track their revenue. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to ensure that your bookkeeper is posting every cell of either your product or your service to the correct revenue channel. So that'll be good. All right, thanks guys.